For pancake, we need eggs. Ooh. Yeah, you did it.
No, we do that. Mama, what you did?
No, don't need to. We don't need to. We'll just put this in this. Put this in this. Ooh. One more. One more.
Mama, crack it. Quack.
You crack it? I'll do it.
I don't know why this is.
Half the banana. You cut it.
I want to cut it.
Yeah, no, I'll cut it. You put it. Put it. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Now, we need to break.
Now we will put little avocado here.
I want to see inside.
See?
Huh?
Like this.
What is this? What is that?
That's avocado.
What is?
So yum.
What is?
Wanna try?
No, no.
It's yum? Try more.
No.
Take a bite now. How's this?
Yum.
Yum. Now we'll put it, okay? You put it. Yay! See? You ready to avocado? Yummy. It's very healthy. It's the healthiest.
What can we do?
We will put some cinnamon powder.
Put it.
Cinnamon powder. Yeah, no, just little. I'll choose that.
Never little.
This much. Pinch of cinnamon powder. Put it.
I'll put more.
Ghee.
I want to put it.
Put little ghee. Little ghee just. Ooh.
Yeah, he's so cute, baby.
It's so cute.
Yeah. He's so soft like a doggy.
It's soft like a doggy?
Yeah. He's so soft.
Aww.
He's a cutie boy.
Okay.
Now I
Close it. There.
It's done. Oh, it's done.
Yum.
Me, Mama.
1 minute. First put some ghee on this. So it will stick like this.
Oh,
You can pour it.
how to pour it?
Pour it.
Like that?
Pour it. Pour it. Nice job. Now pour it here.
Cutie boy.
Aww.
Hello, cutie boys.
Baby's also here, guys. Kissy baby. Aww.
Let's see it.
Okay, it's almost ready.
Huh? It's not even broken.
It's okay. It's like a penguin. Now who will eat it? Who is gonna eat it?
Me.